Good morning students. In the previous video we were writing the short introduction of chapter number 6 and now we are going to continue forward with it, and we have written the first definition of first kind of pronoun, that was personal pronoun. Now we will write the second one, that is रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. तो हमने इतना प्रीवियस वीडियो में कर लिया था. अप टू द फर्स्ट वन वी हैव रिटन द डेफिनेशन. नाउ वी विल कंटिन्यू फॉरवर्ड विथ अवर सेकेंड वन. तो सेकेंड वन हम यहाँ पे लिख देंगे सेकेंड, और यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे व्हेन अ वर्ड शोज दैट the action of the subject reflects upon itself, the word is called reflexive pronoun. And like that we will write the third one also. तो हमने लिख दी definition of the second one, that is when a word shows that the action of the subject reflects upon itself, the word is called reflexive pronoun. Now third one is emphatic pronoun. तो अब हम लिखेंगे about emphatic pronoun. When a reflexive pronoun is placed immediately after a noun to lay emphasis on a particular point. अब हम लिखेंगे when a reflexive pronoun is placed immediately after a noun or pronoun to lay emphasis on a particular point is emphatic pronoun. Full stop. When a reflexive pronoun is placed immediately after a noun or pronoun to lay emphasis on a particular point is emphatic pronoun. So like that you have to write the definition of the kinds of nouns. So now we will write the fourth definition, that is of demonstrative pronoun. तो हम लिखेंगे अब fourth definition, that is of demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns used to point out the person or thing. Demonstrative pronoun are pronouns used to point out person or thing we are talking about. We are talking about. तो जब हम किसी चीज़ को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन किया था, व्हेन वी आर पॉइंटिंग आउट अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग, दैट इज़ नोन एज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. Now fifth one is interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Full stop. So today we are going to do only this much. हमने 5 kinds की definitions लिख ली है. You also have to write the definitions in your English grammar copy. And अब हमारे 6th, 7th, 8th और 9th relative, indefinitive, possessive and reciprocal pronoun की definition हम लिखेंगे next video में.